I think a business owner today needs to understand the value of what we can bring to the table for their long-term investment. Unfortunately, it's not discussed a lot up front. The upfront cost is discussed a lot, but what is the operating expense beyond that upfront cost to manage your real estate? I think that's the big missing picture. What we did with this building is I really jumped onto that bandwagon early on in my Las Vegas career. I saw the opportunity to take an old building, turn it into a LEED Silver facility, and have all the flexibility in all the different products that Hayworth was offering. So we integrated all those products into this building. I am standing on an access floor that distributes power, data, and air. So we can actually adapt our air distribution very easily by just moving things in the floor. We can adapt our power and data distribution by the same easy process. And once you start to build those and integrate those into a model, then you really don't want to have anything fixed in place on top of this very flexible floor system. So we incorporated our modular wall system. Then it's just a furniture opportunity. So when you look at our showroom in Las Vegas on Main Street, it really is a combination of all the Hayworth products that they've assembled over the last 20 years that we've integrated into our business model, because it does give you the flexibility of retrofitting existing buildings. It gives you the opportunity to put more in less space, and it also gives you the ability for all the flexibility you want. I think we're at a tipping point, personally. I think when you look at construction and you look at all the things that are going on and the challenges that are being faced today, whether it's space, resources, and even operating expense once you move into an existing building, it actually does matter if you have an extra 50,000 feet you don't use, because you're heating and cooling that extra 50,000 feet. So from a general contracting standpoint, I think we actually provide a huge benefit. And what we're doing is we're basically assembling 7 of their trades that are conventional construction, and we're putting into one resource, Faciliteq. And what I mean by that is when you look at modular interior construction, you're really bringing a lot of different products that are pre-manufactured in a factory environment, which, by the way, tends to give you a better quality control, and you're delivering it to site. It's very much like what's going on with tilt-up buildings today. So buildings now are built, for the most part, and they're tilt-up 6-sided boxes. And within that box, then, you come in with all these different products, again, manageable, both in quality and in delivery. The other thing we do is all of those products really become not fixed in place, but become adaptable to the interior of the building. So there's financial advantage, which we figured out to be 8 to 10% when it comes to depreciation. There's speed, which is huge in reference to going to market. And then from a contractor standpoint, the ability to actually, I call it one neck to choke, but it's really one resource that handles all of the different products